Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Truptidipti Amazing Word. So today we are going to discuss about word problems. Okay, you know that how to add, but what is word problem? There are some questions. You have to solve the question. Means you may add something, you may subtract something. So here we are going to do some addition. So first of all, you have to know what is the question. So what is your question now? Read with me and let's try to understand. Two classes collected marbles. One class collected 2,33,672 marbles. The second class collected 1,36,820 marbles. How many marbles did both classes have? So if the question is asking to you that both all together, in this case you will add these numbers. So first of all, how to write the word problem? Number of marbles collected by class 1 or 1 class means class 1 equal to 2,33,672. So first of all, I am going to write this number of marbles collected by class 1 equal to 2,33,672. Next, number of marbles collected by class 2 equal to 1,36,820. Total marbles collected. Your question is how many marbles did both classes have? Means number 1 and number 2. So total marbles collected equal to, what will you do? You will add these numbers. So now add with me. 2,33,672 plus 1,36,820. Now we are going to add. So add with me. You know that addition is always starts from which place? It's ones place. So let's add. Here in one place it is 2 plus 0, 2, because when you are adding 0 with any number, you will get that number, or number itself means 2. 7 plus 2, 9. Then here is in 100 place, 6 plus 8, 6 plus 8, 14. 4 is in 100 place, carry 1 to the 1000 place. So here 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 6, 10. 0 is in 1000 place, carry 1 to the 10,000 place. Here 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. Then 2 plus 1, 3. That means 3,70,492. So the two classes collected 3,70,492 marbles in all. Now is it clear? Like that we are going to do another word problem. Second question is, Mrs. Khanna reads a lot of books in her lifetime. She has read 3,61,045 pages. Mr. Khanna also reads a lot of books. He has read 4,81,589 pages in his life. So your question is, how many pages have they read in all? Means Mr. Khanna and Mrs. Khanna, they both like to read books. So in his or her life, they read something. Mrs. Khanna read 3,61,045 pages and Mr. Khanna read 4,81,589 pages. So both they read equal to in all means, you know that it will be add. So how to write the word problem? First of all, number of pages read by Mrs. Khanna equal to 3,61,045. Number of pages read by Mr. Khanna equal to 4,81,589. Now total pages read equal to, you will add this number, 3,61,045 plus 4,81,589. Let's add it. And you know that addition starts from which place? Ones place. Very good. It's ones place. Next, let's add with me. So in one place there is 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9, 14. 4 is in one place. Carry 1 to the 10 place. Here 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 3 is in 10 place. Carry 1 to the 100 place. Here 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 5, 6. Then comes to 1000 place. 1 plus 1, 2. Then next place is 10,000. 6 plus 8, 14. 4 is in 10,000 place. Carry 1 to the lakh place. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. It's 8,42,634. So they read 8,42,634 pages in all. Is it clear now? In this way you can write the word problem and you will solve this problem. If you are liking my video, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.